Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. As you all know, especially for my Evmos takers, this video is actually for everybody. But I know a lot of Evmos takers and Kepler wallet users have been wondering how do they import their Kepler wallet onto Metamask. Especially for Rebus airdrop, you need a Metamask wallet. So now I'll be showing you how to import your Kepler wallet onto Metamask. So this is how you go about it. Make sure you have a Kiwi browser. It is very, very important. That's the browser you need right now. So let me show you how it's done. The first thing you need to do is you need to download Metamask. I know normally if you open Metamask, it will show you that it's a Metamask extension on Chrome and it's not allowed for mobile phone. So what you do is when you search for Metamask extension like this, the first thing you should do is click on desktop site. Make it a desktop site, so it will be reading your phone like a PC. So then you click on the first option that shows Metamask, which is this. That's on your Kiwi browser. I repeat, Kiwi browser. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, because I always drop helpful updates and very, very interesting ones. So here you can see I've already added the extension to my own Chrome, which it will ask you to add to Chrome even though you're not using Chrome. But just click on add to Chrome. It automatically adds to your Kepler to your Kiwi browser. So now what you need to do next is click on this on the top right corner. You can see these are all the extensions I have on my Kiwi browser. These are the extensions. I have different extensions on Kiwi browser. Kiwi browser is the best browser when it comes to extensions. So now you just click on Metamask. You're using Metamask. So now, because if you should use PC or you go through Metamask directly on your mobile phone or even PC, it will ask you to import private key, and you can't get private key on Kepler wallet. They will only use key phrase. So now, instead of you downloading token pocket for you to get both key phrase and private key, that will be another long process, because you need to download a new wallet and so on and so forth. You can actually still use that, but this one is much more faster and easier. So now, because you can still connect your Metamask to your Rebus node, so that you can use it to claim your airdrop. So now the next thing you click, after click on get started, you click on I agree. So you can see, you may not see this place clearly. This one is for you to create new wallet, while this one is for you to import your wallet. So we are importing wallet, that means we are picking this one. So now you select it. So you can see this one is requesting for word phrase, secret recovery phrase, and which is what you have on your Kepler wallet. Because now, if yours is more than 12, maybe 24, just click on this drop down button here. Just click on this drop down button. Whichever amount of word yours is, just pick it. So that is how to import wallet. So number one, you import it here. Number two, you put it here, and so on and so forth until you get to the last one. Then you put the password you use. Then you confirm it. Then you click I have read and agree. Then you click on import. You click on I have agreed like this. Then the import, after you input everything, the import will highlight, so you'll be able to select it. So that's how to go about this easily. So you can see, I believe if you do this, you'll be able to connect. And if Rebus airdrop comes up and you are asked to go claim on Rebus platform, all you need to do is, if you're using Yandex browser to connect, you can just import your Kepler wallet, or you can just go through your I don't know, the app will not really work actually, but what you do is import your Kepler wallet on Kiwi browser as well, just for you to claim Rebus. So once you import it there, your Metamask extension is already here. All you need to do is connect to the platform. Once you connect, you don't even need to import your Kepler, because you already have your Metamask here, and Metamask is what you need to what is it called, to claim the airdrop. And please, when you claim that airdrop, you need to use your head. You need to be wise about it, because the APR is said to be around 20,000 and 200,000% as in the beginning, almost the same way Evmos started. So I will urge you not to take rash decisions. This is not a financial advice, but my own plan is I can just take profit of 50% of the airdrop if it has very good value, then 50% I'll take it immediately to start earning that APR immediately. So that's just my own plan. It's not a financial advice, it's just my own opinion. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to do so, because you will really enjoy being on this channel. So thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.